Welcome all. We have already completed 9 lessons. Our ninth lesson was word problems. So now we are going to start our 10th lesson, that is fractions. So basically this is the initial part of the fractions for you. Fractions are what? Fraction, what is the meaning of fraction? These all things are totally new for you. So now we are going to start with the basic concept of fractions. So just see near the board. On the one side you can see half and another side you can see quarter. So first thing, what is meant by half and what is meant by quarter? One complete thing you have already assumed. You can see over here circle is present. It is full, complete. What is the half of it? Half, basically we are knowing in our day-to-day life we go through this word. Half means we are doing two equal parts of it. Same way, in this particular circle, we are going to divide it into two equal parts. How? Let's just see. We are going to divide it into two equal parts, and that nothing means it is called to be as half. Now how it is termed in a fractional format, that also I will tell you. Half, how it is represented. Now you can clearly see two parts are formed. From that, suppose if I have shaded one part, this one part is shaded. How I am going to write this shaded part in a form of a fraction? Yes. From these two parts, how many parts are shaded? How many parts you can tell over here? Yes, only one part is shaded. So that one will come on the top. And total parts are how much? Two parts are there. This is one and this is another one. So total parts are two. So I am going to write this in a form of fraction. This representation is nothing but fraction, where this one is said to be as a numerator and this 2 is said to be as denominator. Okay, so what is the representation of half? The representation of half is 1 upon 2, where 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. We will move further, we will see for quarter. Basically now we are knowing what is meant by full. This is complete, it is one full. Half means we know we are dividing it into two equal parts. So what is meant by quarter now? If you see this, when I will divide this into half, I am going to divide it again in horizontal way. So now you can see for the whole circle, four different parts are formed. You can see four parts are formed. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. You can separate this out. This one part, it is like this. This is another part of it. This is another part of it. This is another part of it. I have just separated out that all four parts. So this separated part which you can see, it is said to be as quarter. Now if I ask for you in this diagram, if I have shaded this one part of it, total how many there are? 4. From that how many, which part is shaded? Only one part is shaded. So how I am going to write in a fractional format? Yes. Fractional format, the representation of quarter is 1 upon 4. Why 1? Because one part of it is shaded and one part is said to be as a quarter. And out of how many? Out of 4. And you can clearly see over here, this is the representation of quarter, where this 1 is said to be as numerator and this 4 is said to be as a denominator. Now we will see the reading of this fraction, how the fractions are supposed to be read. Okay, so now we are going to see about the next part, that is 3 quarters. Earlier we have seen how to deal with the half. Next we have seen the quarters. Now it is 3 quarters. Quarters means I have told you one part. 3 quarters means you are going to cover how many parts? Yes, you are going to cover 3 parts from it. So it is said to be as 3 quarter. Now you can clearly see the shaded portion. Shaded portion, 3 areas are shaded, so 3 will be on the top. Total, it is 4. So the representation of 3 quarters is 3 upon 4, where 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. If anyone asks you to specify that 3 is numerator, and you can clearly mention 4 is denominator. Fine. Now, reading of a fraction. How you are going to read a fraction? If basically fraction is present in front of you, how you are going to read it? You can clearly see over here. 1 upon 4. How we are going to read it? 1/4. 1/2. 1/2. 3/8. 5/6. So this is the representation, or this is the reading of a particular fraction. The next part of this lesson I am going to teach in the next video. Thank you.